I'm going to change my dining room, which is a little crazy because I know I actually just finished it like 6 months ago, but it's a little dark because the room doesn't get a whole lot of light, and I decided that I wanted to change it up, and I've ordered new wallpaper. I'll put a link or a picture here so you can see the new wallpaper, and I'm going to paint all of the beadboard and trim a bright white. See you soon.
I think you can tell here that I decided against the wallpaper. Once I received it from Wayfair, I realized the pattern was just too big for the room and it was going to clash with the wallpaper in the kitchen. So I thought about it and I found a really pretty color. I guess it's like a biscuit color, but it's really warm. It's called Chestertown Buff by Benjamin Moore. So I decided to go ahead and paint the top of the beadboard in the Chestertown Buff, and I painted the beadboard as I had planned on doing in white, which is Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. I bought the paint from 2 different stores. I bought a quart from one store and then realized I needed a gallon, so I purchased the gallon from my local hardware store and had them color match it. I don't know if you can see, I think you can see it pretty clearly. This is the color from one of the stores that I had mix the paint, and this is the color from the other store that I had mix the paint. So you can see I edged in one and rolled in the other, and now I have to do the whole thing over again because it's clearly 2 different colors, which is highly annoying. So now I have to paint the whole thing again. Yeah, so there we go. See, all of that needs to be changed. I still honestly wasn't 100% sure of the color choice I had made. I think it was the contrast with the green. It wasn't until I painted over all of the green that I began to really like the color combo. It did take 3 coats of the white to completely cover the darker green trim. And just so you know, my husband and I installed the beadboard ourselves. I guess it was last year. And I do have a video on that in our Secretary Cottage playlist. After 2 coats of the top color, the Chestertown Buff, and 3 coats of the trim, I was exhausted and cleaned my brush and called it a day. Now this is the fun part when I get to clean up and reload the room with my furniture. I bought this cabinet on Facebook Marketplace and painted it, I guess it's like a gray, which looked nice in the other color scheme, and I'm thinking I wonder if I need to repaint it in a different color, but it is a pretty cabinet. It's where I keep all of my little dog figurines, and the drinks cart I purchased at an auction. I purchased this beautiful Asian porcelain bowl at an auction about a month ago now, and I love it. I love the colors. And my little Hobby Lobby wreath, I think it looks pretty there. It might look a little hokey, but it's cute. This lamp and shade were purchased separately, but both were from a thrift store. And now for my curtains. I found these at Walmart. I happened to just be walking through the aisle and saw them, and they go so well in the room. We really only need the cafe curtains just for privacy in the evenings when we're eating dinner in the room. So I took down the tall white curtains and patched the wall where I had carefully painted around the curtain rod, and I installed these curtains instead. Another purchase I made was this pretty print, and also was from Hobby Lobby and happened to have the exact color scheme of the new dining room. So I was really pleased with it. And I think you can see I kept the doorway openings in the green. I kind of like how they pop a little. Still not sure if I'm going to keep them green or paint them white, so I just left them green for the time being. My beautiful DELFT plates look so pretty against this color. I'm really happy I finally have somewhere to hang them. And finally, the sun came out and I could take a video to show you all the room today. And I hope you like it. All of the furniture, except for my kitchen table, the dining room table, is thrifted. And all of my decor is also thrifted or purchased from auctions. In fact, I just bought that really beautiful vase last week at an auction for only $5. So I was really pleased with that. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.